Dolly. Hello, Dolly. Meow. Ah. Meow. My three-legged cat. And as you can see, oh, wow. And as you can see, her leg is missing. Meow. Meow. See, this is her. She never shuts up. Oh, cat litter been used. We've only had her for about a day, 2 days, or whatever. I don't know. But all I know is that we've had her for a couple of days. And only that. So yeah. Yeah, she's awfully cute. Meow! Watch this. Dolly! Did you see me? I hope not. So anyway, please subscribe, like, and I hope you like my three-legged cat Dolly. It doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Wow. I've just been on to concentrate on the floor, but where the hell is she? Shouldn't have gone down that far. Anyway, here she is. Here she is. It's just like she's stuck in her. She's stuck in her head in a bowl to get some water. So yeah, it smells awful. So yeah.